Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This email we got from Kerala. Our one brother, his name is Shamir. Brother asking, Assalamu alaikum dear, how to pay zakat on money invested in the stock market at the time of total withdrawal or annually? Brother Shamir, every year, if your date is fixed for to pay zakat, like first Ramadan, if you are paying your zakat first Ramadan, so every year at the time of first Ramadan you should be calculate your whole and your all capital. You are invested in mutual fund, you are invested in shared market, your gold, your silver, your plots, your flats, your properties, your everything. You should be calculate at the first of Ramadan. And first of Ramadan, the rate of your shares, as per the rate of your share, as per the cost and capital of your all shares, you will be reduced 2.5% of your zakat. So it is criteria of Islamic criteria to pay off zakat your shares. I hope you understood well. And another, our announcement, inshallah, every Friday we will be live after Isha from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So we request to everyone, kindly join our online Masail Majlis. And if you have any question, so you can ask directly. So we hope, inshallah, you will take benefits from this opportunity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.